Welcome to Question with Answer, your go-to channel for mastering tech interviews. In today's video, we bring you the top 10 AWS interview questions and answers you must prepare in 2025. Whether you're aiming for a role as a cloud engineer, DevOps engineer, or AWS solutions architect, these questions will sharpen your skills and boost your interview confidence. Let's get started and level up your AWS interview prep. Question 1. What is AWS and why is it so widely used? Answer. Amazon Web Services, or AWS, is a comprehensive cloud computing platform that offers infrastructure as a service, or IaaS, platform as a service, or PaaS, and packaged software as a service, or SaaS, offerings. It enables businesses to host applications, store data, and scale infrastructure without investing in physical hardware. AWS is widely adopted due to its scalability, global reach, pay-as-you-go pricing model, and a broad ecosystem of services including compute, storage, machine learning, and networking. Its flexibility and reliability have made it the market leader in the cloud space. Question 2. What is EC2 and how is it used in AWS? Answer. Amazon EC2, or Elastic Compute Cloud, is a fundamental service that provides scalable virtual servers or instances in the cloud. EC2 allows users to launch and manage servers with custom configurations and operating systems. It supports auto-scaling, load balancing, and multiple instance types optimized for compute, memory, or storage. EC2 is ideal for hosting applications, running batch jobs, and supporting enterprise workloads. It's one of the most powerful tools in AWS for deploying flexible and scalable computing environments. Question 3. What are security groups in AWS? Answer. Security groups in AWS act as virtual firewalls for your EC2 instances. They control inbound and outbound traffic based on IP address, port, and protocol. Unlike traditional firewalls, security groups are stateful. If you allow inbound traffic on a port, the corresponding outbound response is automatically allowed. Each EC2 instance can be associated with one or more security groups, providing a flexible way to control access without modifying the instance itself. Properly configuring security groups is essential for securing cloud infrastructure. Question 4. What is S3 and how is it different from EBS? Answer. Amazon S3, or Simple Storage Service, is an object storage service designed to store and retrieve any amount of data from anywhere on the web. It's highly scalable, durable, 99.99% durability, and is typically used for storing static files, backups, media, and big data. In contrast, EBS, or Elastic Block Store, provides block-level storage that's typically attached to EC2 instances and functions like a traditional hard drive. While S3 is ideal for storing large, unstructured data, EBS is suited for high-performance tasks like databases or application storage. Question 5. What is IAM and why is it important? Answer. IAM, or Identity and Access Management, is a critical AWS service that manages users, groups, roles, and permissions securely. It enables fine-grained access control by allowing administrators to define who can access what resources under which conditions. With IAM, you can enforce least privilege, create multi-factor authentication, or MFA, and audit actions through CloudTrail. IAM is fundamental in maintaining security and compliance in a cloud environment by controlling user access and ensuring only authorized users perform actions. Question 6. What is the difference between public and private subnets in VPC? Answer. In AWS VPC, or Virtual Private Cloud, subnets can be public or private depending on their connectivity to the Internet. A public subnet has a route to an Internet gateway and allows external traffic, making it suitable for web servers. A private subnet lacks direct Internet access and is used for back-end systems like databases or internal APIs. This separation enhances security and architecture design, ensuring that sensitive components are isolated from public exposure while still allowing controlled communication within the network. Question 7. What is AWS Lambda and its use cases? Answer. AWS Lambda is a serverless compute service that lets you run code without provisioning or managing servers. You simply upload your code and Lambda executes it in response to events such as API calls, file uploads, or database changes. It automatically scales and charges only for the compute time used. Common use cases include real-time file processing, backend APIs, scheduled jobs, and automation workflows. Lambda enables rapid development of microservices and event-driven applications with minimal infrastructure overhead. Question 8. What is CloudFormation in AWS? Answer. AWS CloudFormation is an infrastructure as code or IAC service that allows you to define AWS resources in JSON or YAML templates. These templates can be deployed to provision infrastructure consistently and repeatedly. CloudFormation manages dependencies between resources and provides rollback capabilities on failures. It simplifies complex deployments, improves reproducibility, and enables version-controlled infrastructure. It's widely used in DevOps workflows for automating and standardizing resource provisioning across environments. Question 9. How does AWS auto-scaling work? Answer. AWS auto-scaling automatically adjusts the number of EC2 instances in a group based on demand. It monitors performance metrics like CPU utilization and launches or terminates instances accordingly to maintain optimal performance and cost efficiency. Auto-scaling policies can be defined using scheduled actions, step scaling, or dynamic scaling rules. It helps ensure high availability, reduces manual intervention, and keeps resource utilization balanced during traffic spikes or drops. Question 10. What is the shared responsibility model in AWS? Answer. The shared responsibility model in AWS defines the division of responsibilities between AWS and the customer. AWS manages the security of the cloud, including infrastructure, physical hardware, and foundational services. Customers are responsible for security in the cloud, such as data protection, IAM, OS patches, and application-level configurations. Understanding this model is crucial for compliance and risk management, ensuring both parties are clear on their roles in maintaining secure cloud environments. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell for more content, so you don't miss any upcoming video. And, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and keep coding. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.